Alright, it's Rob again with another home video for you, do-it-yourself video. Today we're going to learn how to change the string, trimmer string on the Echo SRM-225. This particular head is a speed loader, so there's really no need to take it apart and wind up the string. So by now you're probably realizing that my channel has a lot of different videos on it of a lot of different things, and so now we're going to dive into changing the string on a weed whacker. So what you want to do is cut your string. These heads take a maximum of 20 feet of string. This is probably not exactly 20 feet, but that's alright. But that's the maximum that it could take, about 20 feet. So being that it's a speed loading head, it's a lot easier to load than a standard trimmer head where you have to take it apart and wind it up yourself. So on the head of this, there's a notch. I'll bring that a little bit closer. So there's a notch here in the head. The notch, let me see, where's it at? Where's that notch? Alright, so there's the notch right there. It's a little pointer that sticks down. And what you want to do is turn the head of this assembly here until you line up one of the holes with that notch. That way it gives you a clear path all the way through to the other side to fish your string through. So we'll put this back down and we'll fish the string through. Sort of like threading a needle, I guess you'd say. And there it is. Comes out the other side, like that. And what you want to do is pull it even. Till your sides, till your lanes match each other. And these speed loading heads are the best. Alright, so we're just about evenly matched here. If you're off by a few inches, it's not a big deal. You can cut them to length once you're done. And so with the string fished through, you're going to start turning the head. You're going to grip the upper part of the head of this, and you're going to start twisting the lower part. And that is going to start to pull the string through into the spool. And I'll keep doing that. This really is the best kind of weed whacker head that you can get if your Echo weed whacker does not already have a speed loader. You might want to consider buying one. I think they're around 29 bucks, 30 bucks. Well worth it though. It takes the complications of putting string back in these for sure. Just make sure when you're loading it, don't turn it too far and pull the string all the way in to the head, because then you'll have to take it apart and get it out of there. Alright, so that's it. And that's how you load the head. Once you start it up, I mean, these are not even right now, not perfectly, but you could trim that one down and then bump the head. Once you turn the unit on, bump the head to even out the string. And there's a blade back here that will cut it as you're throttling up. So that's pretty much it. That's how you load the head of Echo SRM-225 and other Echo weed whackers with this particular speed loading head. And that's it. I hope you get something from this video. Thanks for watching.